How to shorten up a video on Android. There are two ways you can do it. One is using the default gallery app on your phone. The second one is if you need a little bit more customization, you'll need to install a third-party application. First, I'm going to show you guys how you can do it with the default gallery app. And what you do is you open up the app and select the video you want to edit. Then you'll need to look for an option that looks like a scissor. When you select it, you'll get additional options, and look for an option called trim. On some phones it might be called as cut. When you select that, you will see a bar at the bottom of the phone, and you can actually define where exactly you want the video to start from and end from as well. So let's say I want a 10-second video, and I've selected the starting and the end point for my new video, and then I can play it as well to get a preview. And let's say everything looks good. I can say OK, and now I'm gonna save the video. So it's gonna take a few seconds. And once it's done, it generates a new video file, and I'm gonna play it again to see if it's fine. Yep. Now this is a newly created file, and your original video still stays. So if you want to delete it, you can always select and delete it. Now we move on to the advanced way of doing it. What you'll need to do is you'll need to go on Play Store and look for a video editing app. The one with which I will be demonstrating is called UCut, and you're gonna open the app and look for a plus button and select the video you want to edit. So I'm gonna go with the same video and click on next, and I'll look for the trim option here. Now the good thing I like about this app is that it has additional functionality as well, like cut and split. Now I showed you previously how trim worked, where I defined the starting and the ending point for the video, but with the cut, what you can do is you can actually exclude the portion in the middle of the video as well, which is cool. And with the split, you can actually split up your video file into two as well. So let's say we go with a cut, and I'm gonna exclude the portion from 8 seconds to 24, and then I'm gonna go OK, and then I'm gonna go with save. Actually, before that, I'm gonna do preview and see how the video came out. So if everything looks okay, I'm gonna go save the video now. And there we go. So now once the file is converted, it's gonna be saved on your phone and you can use it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you guys find it useful. Bye.